Fix AirTag 2 battery drain. Mock screens only. Open Find My, choose the AirTag 2, and record the battery state and date before changing behavior. For 2 weeks, log every play sound, precision finding session, lost mode day, and cold weather exposure. If drain looks premature, try a fresh uncoated Panasonic or Energizer CR2032 before assuming the AirTag failed. When precision finding has done its job, tap back or close the session instead of carrying it around still running. If you recover the item, open the AirTag card and turn lost mode off manually. Find My will not do that for you. For low value or seasonal items, turn off Notify when left behind, so unnecessary separation checks do not add traffic. For heavy precision finding users, set an 11-month replacement reminder and adjust earlier for cold storage or winter car use. Scan the QR for the full HotAirTag guide.